you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, it has been 36 days since I've been on the 100 days of Keto, or Keto, potato. So how am I feeling? I'm feeling pretty good, and I am sticking to it full on. I will say this past week I did have some incredible cravings for salami, cheese, dried mangoes, and fried burgers, like just the fried patties with melted cheese. So speaking that, I was craving madly dried mangoes, and I'm not even kidding you, I literally almost stopped at Trader Joe's out of my way to pick up dried mangoes. Like, what is wrong with me? Like, no, I'm doing a 100-day challenge. That would totally not be a part of the challenge. So what I will tell you, knowing that I was on this like 100-day challenge literally stopped me from stopping. And it just felt, kind of good to kind of have like a barrier, because I was literally like, my mind, I was like, I need those dried mangoes, I need something, I just need to like overcarb myself. But I pushed through. But one thing I did give into yesterday, like I said, I've been craving salami and American cheese. A staple snack and sandwich when I was a kid was salami and American cheese. Oh my gosh, so freaking good with mayo. Oh my God, love it. So of course, knowing that those two items are really a keto, but they're not really a Carly item, but I did eat them. So I did have some cheese, because I'm like, all right, it's not gonna make me feel good, but it is okay because it does stick to the program. Kind of, I guess, like when I was on the sugar-free, that I was eating chips and whatnot to get over it. So I know ultimately it wasn't the best choice for me, but it was a choice that I could work with. So this is where I'm at right now. So this video I'm actually gonna make super quickly, because I've literally stuck to my entire week the exact same. I did 2 fasting days, 2 days in a row, and I'm thinking maybe because I did the second fasting day after the first one that I was having like this crazy craving, possibly. So what I'm gonna try doing is actually just spreading them out now, like having them a couple days apart. I think that would be ideal, and also probably not make my cravings or my head go a little crazy. So a recipe that I wanted to share with you with making on this journey, which I feel is a very much a staple, is ghee. So I actually had bought ghee from Aldi. They literally have a jar for like $7, not bad, but it's not organic. It's just straight up, which is fine. I did that for a little while. And then I was like, I should probably have like organic or grass-fed, because that's like my total jam. So the least expensive one I could find was from Walmart, and this little 12-ounce container was literally $10, or like $9.97 or something. And I was like, ouch, it's just butter. Why is it so expensive? So then I was like, I'm gonna make this. So I watched a couple YouTube videos, and I actually read some blogs on how to make ghee. And it is super simple, and in fact, I kind of felt like a lot of the videos I watched and some of the blogs were like so intense, like they were splitting the atom, like literally maybe a little too intense. So I'm gonna show you this video of me making it for the very first time, and not following, but not really following the directions, because I was like, this is not an impossible task of all these instructions. Like this, it's just butter. Let's just roll out so you can see the homemade ghee. Once you go Kerrygold, you'll probably never go back to any other type of butter. So I have a sieve and of course a Pyrex to put the ghee in once it's cooked, and of course a pot for the stove. So of course I put 2 8-ounce blocks, which is 1 pound, medium to high heat right there, and then you're just gonna take it to a boil. So you're just melting this all down, pretty easy peasy, taking it to the boil. So once it gets to this boiling state right here, that's when you want to turn down your flame to a medium. Mine's kind of on a high, so low almost seems like medium. So then you're gonna put on for 5 minutes right there and just let it do its thing. You don't have to like stir or do anything at this moment. Just let it do its thing until it turns into that, which is good. So that's all that milk solid's going to the side, which is what we want. Some instructions say stir, some don't. This is the best part right here. You want to see those big bubbles. So yeah, I did a little bit of stirring, and of course, taking some of those milk solids for them to fall down to the bottom. This is the key part right here. That's when you know it's done, when it foams up for the second time. You turn it off, you strain it, container, and then you let it sit with that goldeny brown right there. And then there it is after several hours of chilling out. And honestly, it is just as easy as that. And from the very first moment that I placed the homemade ghee in my mouth, I could not believe the magical flavor that came from it versus any of the store-bought that I've tried. It is a delicious, nutty ghee. And after making this, there is no way in the world I would ever buy it ever again. Not to mention, it's literally half the price to make it myself, and it is so easy. So it's like, why wouldn't I? So let me know if you make ghee, if there's any staples of your keto diet that you actually make that help you on your journey without buying something, and that's simply incredible. One more thing, I forgot to mention, one of my amazing viewers, and I thank you so much for recommending this app called Life, and that helps you on fasting. So what's really neat about it is that you plug in when you start, and then also how long you want to go, and it monitors you, so you can kind of like take a look at it. It's kind of cool, and then it does set an alarm for when you've reached your goal. So I'm really digging the app. Thank you so much for sharing. I'm having a lot of fun on this journey, and I'm really feeling great, and every day of doing this, it just empowers me to keep going and keep feeling amazing, because you only live once, so why not treat yourself the best that you can be and be the top of your game every single day. So I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.